Dear student, due to coronavirus, school started online classes for your study. So you can subscribe Golden Flower Palia YouTube channel, like and press the bell icon.
So today we will study the sound of music, very important chapter of your book Behind. My dear students, this story represents about a very famous musician whose name was Evelyn Blaney, and she was listening to the sound without hearing it. She was a profound deaf. As you know, deaf. Deaf means who can't listen. Dumb means who can't speak. Blind means who can't see. So these are the three main disability that make a person challenging in the world. So this is the chapter describing you one challenge that was taken by Evelyn, who was a profound deaf. My dear student, when Evelyn was 11-year-old, then it was noticed that she was unable to hear. Actually, before that, when she was 8-year-old, then this kind of symptoms was found that she was doing. She was not listening it, but at 11 years, it was fully confirmed that she was a deaf. She can't listen. So means in her childhood she was able to listen. This story is telling that when in the age of 11 years she was unable to listen and sitting in the classroom with the other students. So how she felt? Her teacher just demoralized her that you can't listen in the normal class. So try to take another special class. But she didn't like it. From the childhood, her interest was in music. She wanted to be a very famous musician. But for music, it was very important to listen the sound. Though she was unable to do it. In her school, the teachers demoralized her that you can't do this. Except Ron Fox, who motivated her that no, doesn't matter, you are a deep, but you can do it if you heartily want. If it is your extreme desire by your heart, by your choice, not by your force, not by any force, then definitely you can do it. So by this inspiration that she got by Ron Fox, inspired her to do her best in the field of music. That is why she just went for the training in Royal Academy of Music. From there, she learned many things, that how half part of her body, downside body, just listening the music, and how the upper part of her body was listening the music by the low sound and high sounds. So she was not able to listen the song by her ears. She was feeling it through vibration. My dear students, easily to understand this is very difficult, because to listening, sometimes we are unable to listen if anybody is speaking from far away. But if we are unable to listen, if we are deaf, then doesn't matter any person is so near to us, it is very difficult to listen. So she was listening the sound through vibration, and you will get surprised to know that she can play about 1000 instruments with perfection. 1000 instruments she was able to play with perfection, with a good kind of music. So she was really a hidden talent, and she went for the audition in UK, and from there she just earned a prize, the Soloist of the Year prize in 1991, that make her proud, make her family proud, make her country proud, and make proud to all the disabled person. And this thing was inspiration for all the deep person, so that they should not think, they should not have the inferiority complex that they can't do anything, their life is destroyed. No, she just fulfilled with inspiration to all the disabled person that if you are having an equality, if you want to do anything, nothing is impossible in the world. She was a workaholic. She worked day and night without thinking about any other things. She was thinking only about music. And after getting this kind of awards, she devoted her life to the needy person, to the disabled person. She was playing music in the hospitals, she was playing music in the prison, and she was inspiration for the humanity. So my dear student, this chapter is teaching you, motivating you to do your best in your life. Doesn't matter you are physically strong enough or not. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Self study at home and stay home, save lives. Thank you very much.